found this rotting 1966 Chevrolet C10 sitting in an abandoned field, left for dead for over half a century. No power steering, no interior, no brakes, and an engine that gave up a long time ago. To most people, it's nothing but a pile of rusted-out metal. But I saw something different. I saw a sleeping beast. And today, I'm here to wake it up. This isn't just about bringing a pickup truck back to life. I'm turning it into a symbol of raw power. Strong, loud, and bold, with a 600 horsepower heart that roars loud enough to shake the entire block. In this episode, the journey begins. We're cleaning off decades of grime, stripping out the interior and the dead engine, pulling the body off the frame, and rebuilding the power plant from the ground up. Every nut, every bolt, rebuilt from scratch. This isn't just a restoration, it's a resurrection, and it all starts right now. I'll be honest, there's still a lot of work to do, but trust me, the best part is still ahead. What do you think about this build so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And if you don't want to miss a single moment of this journey, hit that follow button, give it a like, and share the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.